In this video, I'll tell you about Beehiiv's affiliate program and how much you can actually earn as an affiliate. But first, what exactly is Beehiiv? Beehiiv is a newsletter platform. It's actually really good and they allow you to, start monetizing email campaigns and connect with your audience. There's tons of ways to make money with it. It's an amazing platform. I've included the link in the description if you want to check it out. Now later in this video, I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company where I posted very short videos on this channel that you're watching, and most of those videos didn't even get 10 views, but it still made a pretty surprising amount of money. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, maybe you want to quit your job or you want some extra income on the side, I'm going to tell you the best way to learn affiliate marketing even if you're a complete beginner at the end of the video, so you definitely don't want to miss that part. Now let me show you the Beehiiv affiliate program right on their website. They actually pay 50% commission of revenue if you just get people to sign up. So 50% commission is what you can make, which is actually amazing. If you look at their pricing, then they start from a free plan, which means it's easy to get people to bump up to the scale and convert. And it goes all the way up to enterprise level where you can make endless amounts of money depending on which kind of plan someone wants. But if someone gets the max plan, then you're making almost $50 a month every single month recurring. Beehiiv is an amazing platform, so you can make a lot of money. Now I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. So what's the best way to actually learn affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner? Well, I would recommend Legendary Marketer. This is the homepage of Legendary Marketer. As you can see, this is an online marketing education company, and the main guy behind the program is this guy named David Sharp, or Dave Sharp. He's the CEO and founder. And if you read his story, it's actually really motivating. This guy was, he dropped out of high school. He was a teenage father. He got into substance abuse at a very early age, and his life was in shambles. He didn't know what he was doing until he discovered that you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing. And so he went down that rabbit hole, and after many years, he eventually learned the tricks. He learned how to actually make real money online with affiliate marketing, and that's how he founded Legendary Marketer, which is easily one of the best affiliate marketing or starting an online business training programs on the entire internet. It's super popular and tons of people talk about it and use it. They're on a mission to help people start a new business or grow their existing online business with the cutting edge marketing strategies. And so if you actually look at their products, they offer lots of different products for coaching and training. They have a 5-day learn launch lead challenge where you actually learn how to actually get started and setting up your business in just 5 days. There's nothing like it. It's going to save you countless hours, weeks, months, and even years of sifting through tons of random useless information online. They're going to give you training every single day. You can also meet with an advisor one-on-one and get your questions answered. And at the end of the challenge, you're going to be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to put everything you learned into action. So you can actually get started using the training on Legendary Marketer. I've actually included the link to the 5-day challenge in the description of this video. It is extremely affordable. If you click start the challenge, you can see it's only $5. You're going to learn tips and tricks from a legend. This guy has made, David Sharp, the founder, has made over $200 million in sales online through affiliate marketing and course sales. So you're learning from the best. Now, on top of the 5-day learn launch lead challenge, Legendary Marketer offers various different products that you can actually purchase. So they've got the Marketers Club, which is a weekly webinar where they have marketing coaches and experts from all over the world and different skills with different experiences, and they share the most cutting edge, up-to-date information on how you can, become a better marketer and make more money. So that's a subscription that you can purchase. It's very affordable. They also offer a business blueprint that can give you step-by-step instructions for setting up your business as an affiliate marketer. So that's super detailed, and you get lots of specific information with the technology and software that you need as well. And so they've got a bunch of other products. They've got coaching and consulting as well, so you can actually directly get coaching from their experts. They have events and masterminds. So they've got a lot of information. They've got lots of different products for you. And if you start with the 5-day learn launch lead challenge, then really you have the skills that you need to be able to go forward and pursue any kind of marketing business that you want to start. You're going to have the fundamentals, and it's just the best place to start, in my opinion. You can also see that they have a lot of reviews. They have 258 reviews with an average of 4.6 rating on Trustpilot, and they are a verified company with most reviews that are 5 stars. So Legendary Marketer is really useful if you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, and you can use the link in the description to get started for just $5. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.